Hey there, everybody. You get a little bonus live video today. Remember, those of you that joined me earlier, I made palak, spinach, in my Instant Pot. It's finished. The little valve fell down, dropped down, I should say, and I was able to open it. So see these little handles on your Instant Pot? This is what they're there for, to hold your lid. Did you know that? Let's show you this. This is usually the aha moment in my classes. Look at that. So you just take that little prong from your lid. You can do it on either side, depending on if you're a lefty or a righty. And now I'm going to blend my palak. So this is what it looks like. See that? Let's give it a mix. That way you can really, truly see it's just spinach cooked down in this brothy sauce. I probably would want it a little drier, ideally, but in the Instant Pot, you've got to have water in there. You don't want everything to burn. So we're just going to mix that up. And then I'm going to take my immersion blender. The one that I use is literally just, I think it was like 30 bucks. But what I like about it is this little button. Because when you push it, the top comes off and you can throw that in the dishwasher if you want. So it's really nice to get one that will flip apart like that. I love it because it is so easy to blend your soups and your stews. So remember all those holes. I know you know this, but the folks that may not have used an immersion blender, make sure they're underneath your content so they don't spout any kind of splashes that are going to be very hot. And we're just going to go ahead and blend it. Like to kind of pull the product over. Look at all that beautiful steam. Look at all this gorgeous, gorgeous spinach. Now, if you don't want it so smooth, I guess, then you don't have to blend it down as much. I like it blended down completely. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah, Brian, I agree. Immersion blenders are such a great little tool. And I left one at a demo that I did at someone's house, so they have it. I was forced to buy another one, and it was a blessing in disguise because I ended up getting one that would come apart. And again, if you want to go online and buy one now, you can. Sur La Table, all these places, Williams-Sonoma will have immersion blenders. So I'm just going to go ahead, because I've got this, it's super dirty. Hold on for a second. I'm going to push that little button and voila. See how that just came off? Really, truly is one of the best little tools. Throw it right in here. I'm going to go ahead and soak it right away because why worry about it getting dried out? Let it sit in there and soak. And folks, this is palak. We will go ahead and put the paneer in a bit. Now, on the paneer, we could do that one day. Maybe we'll do a how to make paneer session. I've done classes like that quite a bit. You can also use baked tofu. It gives you that same sort of consistency that you need. And what I would do on the paneer is either you put it in now, you can start the pressure cooker over and just cook it like maybe a minute at the most, or you could literally put it and just put the lid on and let it just kind of steam in there. You could saute the paneer or the tofu on the stovetop. Sometimes I'll just do that with a little bit of oil, some turmeric, some garam masala, and a little salt. And then once it gets that little bit of brown on it, I'll put it in here and then just let it sit in the steam. But that is about it. Natasha, thanks for watching. We were making Palak Paneer today. I miss you. I'm about to, with these days at home, start scrapbooking again. So you and I will have to do that virtually as well. Natasha is my scrapbook buddy. All right, so that is Palak Paneer. That's what it looks like once it's ground down. And as you can see, I didn't need to do anything to really make sure it was bright green. I mean, it's not completely bright green, but it's pretty good, right? And it's got all the amazing flavor in it that you're gonna want for a perfect Palak Paneer. I will, once I'm done toying with this recipe, I'll put it on my website, Indiana's Apple Pie, for you, okay? All right, folks, see you later. Have a great afternoon. Stay safe.